Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world.
It will make your life very easy. You don't need any technical skills and any special knowledge. You just do steps by step what the plan proposes you. It is the easiest way to make money. And it's very good when you need small and big extra amounts of money for vacation, car, apartment, and other things that can help you save money. There are many ways to make money online. But you need some skills, knowledge, and time to do them. For example, you can sell products on Amazon or eBay, but this way is very hard for beginners and it takes a lot of time. I was looking for an easy way to make money and then I found these plans.
Methods are no required skills. Just spend from 15 to 30 minutes from home. No stock and no shipping required. Amazing low failure rate. Easy for beginners. Sometime, you might have no enough money for your daily life due to your living cost increasing even you work so hard. And you might have a good house and vehicle. Going travels? And extra income provides you flexible working hours, working style as you like, more comfortable life, and flexible schedules. And also work for extra income may build your portfolio and make a career change too. You can save some cost and time if you work from home. Your free time to better yourself. Click below to find out the best methods for you.